The world is grappling with a plastic pollution crisis, with millions of tons of plastic waste ending up in landfills and oceans every year. To combat this issue, innovative approaches are required to reduce the environmental impact of plastic waste. Our solution converts discarded plastic bottles into 3D printing filament, an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional filament production methods. This project aims to demonstrate the feasibility of transforming old plastic bottles into high-quality PET filament using a hot end extrusion process.
Now I will tell you about the making of these filaments, the steps required for that. The first step involves collecting old plastic bottles, which are then sorted based on their polymer type. For this project, we focus on PET bottles, which are commonly used for beverages and other consumer products. Second, the collected PET bottles are thoroughly cleaned to remove label, caps, and any contaminants. They are then cut into strips to prepare them for the extrusion process.
The third step is that the prepared PET strips are fed into a hot end extruder, which melts the plastic at a controlled temperature. The molten plastic is then forced through a nozzle to form a continuous filament strand. The filament is constantly monitored for diameter consistency, ensuring that it meets the required specification for 3D printing. Any inconsistencies are corrected in real time. Then, the high-quality filament is spooled onto reels and packaged for distribution to consumers or manufacturers.
Now I will tell you about the benefits and implications of this project. So first we'll talk about the environmental impact of this project. By recycling plastic bottles into filament, we significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste that would otherwise end up in landfills or oceans. This project promotes a circular economy approach to plastic use. Second, we'll talk about sustainability. So the 3D printing industry benefits from a sustainable source of filament. Third, the economic viability. The cost effectiveness of this process makes recycled PET filament an attractive option for 3D printing enthusiasts, educational institutions, and businesses.
By turning trash into treasure, we not only reduce the environmental impact of plastic waste, but also offer a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional filament production.
As we move forward, this innovative approach holds the potential to transform the way we view and utilize plastic waste, offering a brighter and more sustainable future for all.
Thank you.